Welcome to the vlog. Welcome back and welcome if you're new here. This is Shalagan of Shanks Crafted Designs and come join pack with me. Pupunta tayo somewhere here in Canada and I prepared all these things for travel. So, attend tayo ng Congress somewhere in Canada. Kaya, ito na yung mga things na kakailanganin ko. Ready na siya for packing. So, I have here 3 different kinds of packing cubes. Ano to small, medium, large. Lagi ko itong dala-dala guys wherever we go. Kahit during camping time, dala-dala ko rin to kasi gusto ko lahat naka-organize. So for the smallest one, nandito lahat ang aking mga pairs and socks. Nandito with panty liners na dyan. Nasa smallest pack siya lahat, diba? And on the medium size, nandito lahat naka-organize. Lahat ng aking sleepwear. So, lahat ng pajama ko, pajama sets, nandito lahat sa medium size na packing cube. And 4 outfits of each day during the trip. Ito lahat ang mga pang-OOTD natin. And medyo malamig pa doon sa place na pupuntahan ko. Kaya magdadala rin ako ng vest. So, I have with me my vest. And I have Heatex naman as inner garments for my vest. And I have one formal suit para sa aatenan ko na Congress. So, these are my clothing. So, pagdating dito sa luggage, very organized siya. Tsaka alam ko saan ko hahanapin. Hindi siya yung halo-halo. So, it's the best thing having some packing cubes. Kasi alam mo where you put your pajamas against your underwears, against your tops, pants, and extra clothing. So, maganda yung naka-assign siya in each packing cube. And aside from the clothing, syempre meron din tayong different kinds of kit bags. I call this my kit bag. So this kit bag is for toiletries, pang bathroom essentials naman to. Nandito naman lahat yung aking shampoo, conditioner, body wash, deodorant, face cream, facial wash, and extra, ano pa ba? Mouthwash. So, nandito. And, naka-travel size din siya. So, alam ko na, for the darker tone, ito yung shampoo ko. For the lighter tone, ito naman yung aking conditioner. So, ano yun siya lahat, guys? Coded din siya. Diba? So, this is my kit bag for bathroom essentials. And for the second kit bag, nandito naman lahat ang aking pang get ready with me. So, ito yung makeup ko. Nandito siya lahat. Foundation, name it, facial cream, face powder, makeup brush. Nandito siya. And also, silipin na rin natin kung anong mga laman. So, nandito rin yung sunblock, very important. Body lotion. Hindi siya kaliitan. And, yeah, foundation. Another foundation. This is On the Glow na blush on. This is my setting spray. Actually, pwede ko to ilagay dito sa sa purse. Yan ko na siya ilagay. Eye cream, serum. So, ito lahat pang get ready with me. And sa middle part, nandito naman yung toothbrush, toothpaste. Travel size pa rin. Ito, important din to. Especially if you're sharing a room with a friend. You know, the on-the-go toilet spray. Before you go, toilet spray. What else? Yeah, makeup brush. And extra hair clips. So, yan. Yan yung mga laman ng kit bag na to. So, ilagay na natin siya dito. Yan. So, para pagbuksan ko yung luggage ko, alam ko where to find also my makeup, my foundation, and other pang get ready with me. And then this one, dito ko naman ilalagay lahat ng chargers. So, charger for my watch, charger for my phone, and extra power bank dito sa kit bag na to. And this is the bag for my DJI. So, isang kit na siya. So, dadalhin ko pa rin siya. See? Very organized lahat, guys. And ito naman, extra sleeper. Kasi hindi lahat ng hotel may sleeper na pamigay, di ba? And of course, we need our sunglasses at umaaraw na dito sa Canada. And I also have this, guys, yung laundry bags, di ba? Para sa mga maduduming damit. Yan. I have laundry bag. This one is a dust bag for the Lacoste bag. Gawa ko siyang laundry bag pag may mga travel. And uso ngayon yung travel size na pillow na nakaano siya, naka-roll. So I have one. Ito yung, hindi ko pa nagamit kasi kakabili ko lang. Talagang intended for the trip. So maganda to kasi iro-roll mo lang siya. I'll show you. So you have idea. I don't know how to read this one, guys. It's Lux Air. Is it read as Lux Air? Premium Travel Pillow. See, ang liit. Ayan o. Tapos, ayan. Oh, ang ganda. Very soft. Tapos, nakikita ko to sa mga sa mga ads sa Facebook. Ayan. Ayan. May lock siya actually. Ito, naka-velcro lock siya para ma-secure mo yung neck mo during travel. See? Ganyan siya kalaki, guys. Pero once maligpit mo siya, i-roll mo lang din. Yeah. Just keep rolling. Ayan. Yeah. Ang ganda ng pillow na to kasi very compact. See? Ang liit na. Tapos meron siyang sariling bag. So, di ba? Ang ganda. Yan. Oh. Oh, isang bit-bit mo lang. Kunwari, ito. So, I have my purse with me also. May mga travel essentials din tong purse ko. Ito yung dadalhin ko. So, kung wala akong other bag na bit-bit, ito lang. Ayan. With this one. Diba? Ang cute. Ang liit-liit. But I'm not sure if I'm bringing pang-hand carry na bag. Oh, I think I need one. Kasi nga pala, magdadala ko ng Sony na camera. So, hindi lang pala ito ang bit-bit ko as hand carry. And medyo malamig dun, guys. So, I have here my beanie. Isang beanie lang naman dadalhin ko. I have here, of course, my face mask. Ganda nito, guys. This is from Tory Burch. Bigay ito ng best friend ko from Chicago. Shout out to my best friend, Chigay! Tatlo to So, ito yung gagamitin ko for this trip. And then, ito, eye mask. Pag nasa plane na tayo. And kasi aaten kami, tatlo kaming nurses atin ng Congress. So, bumili ako ng isang pack to, tamang-tama. 1 pack ng mga little notebooks na magkasya sa purse. I've seen this in Indigo. Ang ganda niya, very handy. So, since attend kami ng Congress, so, ito naman yung dadalhin kong notebooks. Tig-isa kami. So, bigay ko yung dalawa sa dalawa kong kasama para meron kaming kanya-kanyang notebook. What else? I'm thinking of bringing this, pero I'm not sure. Kasi nga, nag-snow pa rin doon sa lugar na pupuntahan namin. And, yeah. Dalhin ko na rin yung aking belt just in case for my jeans. Pang OOTD lang naman. Yun, ito guys. And yeah, my purse. And ito nga pala yung luggage na gagamitin ko. This is Ted Baker na brand. This is 25 inches na luggage. Hindi siya sobrang malaki at hindi rin siya sobrang maliit. So since na-organize ko na lahat ng aking dadalhin, guys, come join me as I pack all this kakikayan dito sa luggage. I'm done with packing. Naka-ready na rin yung aking hand carry. One hand carry, one personal bag. And then, yung aming camera, dadalhin ko yung Sony na camera kasi it's more user-friendly for me. And then, magaan siya. Magaan siya. Very light when it comes to traveling. Yung Sony namin na camera. This is ZV-E10 Sony camera. Binilhan nga lang namin ng bagong lens. So, hindi yan yung kit lens niya. And napansin nyo, and I just realized na color coordinated pala ang aking mga bags. So, from my purse, to my backpack, to my luggage. Lahat pala sila in the shades of pink. Even ang aking belt for my luggage. Talagang sinadya kong lagyan ng belt kasi nga binilhan ko ng cover na see-through ang aking luggage para naman hindi magasgas. Alam naman natin na once we check in our luggage, very prone to scratches and dirt. So, I just bought this see-through na luggage cover to save up from any scratches and dirt. And para mas secure siya, ginamit ko ulit yung aking luggage belt. Tal na rin sa akin tong luggage belt na to. I have 3 different kinds. So, yan yung gagamitin ko. So, same shade pa rin siya, guys. Pink pa rin siya with touch of, this is touch of actually very dark blue, not black. And yeah, andito yung aking pang-carry na backpack and ang ating travel pillow na very compact in size also. This is it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you find inspirations from this video. So more upcoming trips and more upcoming video guys. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.